In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control animation sequence on Canva. Start by opening Canva and heading straight into the design you want to animate. This can be a presentation slide, a social post, or a video, anything with multiple elements you want to control. Once you are in, pick any element on your canvas, right, click it, and choose Show Timing. This opens the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Each element appears as a colored bar. Think of these bars as your schedule, where a bar begins is when the element appears, and where it ends is when it stops showing or finishes its animation. Click and drag a bar left or right to change when that element starts. If two bars overlap, those elements will appear during the same time range. If you want one to wait for the other, make sure their bars don't overlap. To change how long an animation lasts, hover over the end of a bar until you see a resize handle. Then drag to make it shorter or longer. Longer bars create slower, more relaxed entrances. Shorter bars make snappier. Quick reveals. Keep an eye on the total page duration so your timing fits the overall scene. Next, let's control click by click reveals. Select an element on your canvas and click Animate in the top toolbar. In the animation panel, toggle on Appear on click. This tells Canva not to show that element until you click during playback. Use the click order controls to assign the sequence. Lower numbers appear first, higher numbers later. If two elements share the same number, they'll enter together on the same click. This is great for group visuals or labels that should arrive at once. Work through your design and repeat these steps for each element you want to sequence. Set the timing in the timeline. Then set Appear on click and assign its order in the Animate panel. For cleaner results, keep related items near each other on the timeline and space out their click orders so you don't accidentally stack too many actions on a single click. When you are ready to check your work, switch to full screen to preview. Now click through to reveal your elements in the order you assigned. Each click should bring in the next item, using the timing and duration you set. If something doesn't feel right, maybe an item comes in too early or lingers too long, exit full screen. Adjust the bar position or length in the timeline, or tweak its click order and preview again until it flows smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching.